Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Cocar 2 magnetic solar wireless backup camera monitor, 12 to 24 volt solar powered kit, with HD 1080p and 10-inch monitor. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Quick 3-minute installation. This 2 magnetic solar wireless backup camera monitor is incredibly easy to install. You just need to attach the backup camera with monitor to the desired location on your car, without any cumbersome steps. Within 3 minutes, you can complete the installation. Additionally, we include a metal plate in the package for you to securely fix it to the non-ferrous surface of your vehicle before installing the camera. 10-inch large screen display. Designed for large vehicles such as RVs, pickups, and trucks, this 10-inch high-definition display, 1024x600, is equipped to provide detailed road information. It wirelessly connects to wide-angle cameras to deliver enhanced visuals. Additionally, this display can activate guiding lines for lane changes, passing, merging, and reversing, helping to prevent accidents. This backup camera with monitor can connect up to 4 cameras simultaneously. Wireless solar-powered camera. This wireless backup camera harnesses eco-friendly solar power during the day and relies on its built-in 9600 mAh battery for nighttime use. Combining these two charging modes results in all-day charging and extended battery life. Equipped with a signal-boosting antenna, it maintains a stable connection with the screen, preventing signal delays or interruptions. With 9 automatic infrared LED lights, this camera excels in providing exceptional night vision. DVR recording. Furthermore, this 2 magnetic solar backup camera features DVR recording capabilities, accompanied by a 128 GB internal memory card. It captures clear footage of your journeys during both day and night. When the memory is nearly full, it automatically deletes older data, allowing for continuous recording. This feature serves as evidence whenever needed. And the next outstanding feature that Recommend New Products Releases Update All Day YouTube channel will introduce is 12 to 24 volt wide range of vehicles. This product is versatile and suitable for long-distance driving, backing up, and various activities, making it compatible with RVs, trucks, cars, trailers, vans, campers, boats, jeeps, and off-road vehicles. Additionally, if you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.